Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Audible with Amazon Prime. The first thing I'd like you to do is so before we continue, there's something you need to know, and that's the fact that Amazon Prime does not include a full Audible membership. Now, Prime members may receive certain Audible related benefits or promotional offers, but Audible membership is a separate subscription. So regardless, did you know that you can actually use your Amazon account to access Audible, even though Amazon Prime and Audible are separate memberships? Yeah, that's why I'm actually here to let you know how that works. So first, open your preferred web browser, head over to the Audible website for your marketplace and sign in using your account credentials. And once you're signed in, the next thing that you like to do is to so after signing in, just go to the Audible website and look for the available membership plans. Now, depending on your account and marketplace, you may see an offer for an Audible free trial or another promotional offer. So it's important to understand that having an Amazon Prime membership does not automatically give you full Audible membership. All right. So if you want to access Audible membership benefits, then you need to go ahead and check all the plans. So go ahead and click on see your plans or click on plans and pricing at the top of the screen, and you select the Audible plan or trial available to you. Could be try standard free or try premium free, and follow the instructions on the screen to start your membership. Now, depending on the plan you choose, you may receive benefits such as monthly audiobook selections or credit and access to Audible Plus catalog and member discount. So keep in mind that the benefits you receive depend on the Audible membership plan available in your marketplace. Now, once you have joined Audible, you can use the same Amazon account credentials to sign in to Audible. Now, your Audible library is separate from your Amazon Prime Video or your Amazon Music libraries. Now, to access your audiobooks, just in the Audible website, go ahead and click on library. So you can then select a title that you have purchased or obtained through your Audible membership and start listening using the Audible online player. Now, if you have an Audible membership that includes access to Plus catalog, you can browse titles that are included with your membership. Now, these can include audiobooks, podcasts, and Audible originals. Now, when you find an eligible title, you can select play to start streaming it or add it to your library for later listening. So if you have an Audible premium membership that provides credits, you can use those credits to get eligible audiobooks. To do this, you can just head over to search, and or you can head over to the audio to the home page and right in the search bar, just go ahead and search for right here. So search for the audiobook you want and open the audiobook spread up page and look for the option to purchase it using an Audible credit and select the option to use your credit and complete the purchase. Now, audiobooks obtained with Audible credits become part of your library and remain yours even if you later cancel your Audible membership or Amazon Prime subscription or Amazon Prime membership. Now, after adding an Audible book or an audiobook rather to your library, you can listen to it through the Audible app or the Audible online player. Just simply open your library from here and select the audiobook that you want to hear and select play. So your Amazon Prime membership and Audible membership are two separate subscriptions. You do not need Amazon Prime to have an Audible membership, and having Amazon Prime does not automatically give you unlimited access to Audible's entire Audible catalog. So if you want full Audible membership benefits, you will need to subscribe to an eligible Audible plan separately. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.